Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use Magic Chrome Powder Nail Pen from Rosalind. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So this is the Rosalind Magic Powder Pen. So this one is the Rosalind Magic Powder Pen Shade 01. And next is the Rosalind Magic Powder Pen Shade 02. And this one is the Rosalind Magic Powder Pen Shade 04. And next is the Rosalind Magic Powder Pen 05. And here is the Rosalind Magic Powder Pen Shade 07. And last is the Rosalind Magic Powder Pen Shade 08. So first, make sure you apply base coat and then cure. And then after that, apply your first coat of your black color coat as your base color and then cure. And next is apply the second coat of your black color coat and then cure. And next is apply top coat and cure. And now I'm gonna try the Rosalind Magic Powder Pen Shade 01. So this is what it looks like. So you just dip the brush and then brush the mirror powder onto the nails, just like this. And the magic begins. Rosalind Magic Powder Pen is very functional. It is very easy to use and it is easy to take. Apply top coat and cure. And this is the result. It is really magical and it has that holographic effect. So next is I'm gonna try the Rosalind Magic Powder Pen Shade 04 and it is a bronze color. So this is what it looks like. So just one press to dip the powder and then brush the mirror powder on your nails. Rosalind Magic Powder Pen comes with 8 different colors. So make sure to check the link below on my description box so you guys know where I get these products. And then apply top coat and cure. And this is the Rosalind Magic Powder Shade 04 looks like. It is really pretty and you can see the mirror effect of the magic powder. And next is I'm gonna try the Rosalind Magic Powder Pen Shade 02 and this is what it looks like. So just one press to dip the powder and then brush the mirror powder on your nails, just like this. So this one I could already see the holographic effect of the magic powder. It is so nice and it's really magic. With Rosalind Magic Powder Pen, you don't have to worry about spilling the powder or you don't have to worry about needing a brush. Apply top coat and cure. And this is the Rosalind Magic Powder Pen Shade 02 looks like. You can also create different kinds of nail art out of it. So next is I'm gonna try the Rosalind Magic Powder Pen Shade 05, and this is what it looks like. So just one press to dip the powder and then brush the mirror powder on your nails. So this one you could already see the magical mirror effect of the magic powder pen. And again, it is very easy to use. I'm gonna leave the link down below on my description box so you guys can check it out. And don't forget to use my code ROSE15 or ROSE15 to get discount. Apply top coat and cure. And this is the Rosalind Magic Powder Pen Shade 05 looks like. I love the mirror effect, guys. It is so addicting to the eyes and it's really easy to use. So next is the Rosalind Magic Powder Pen Shade 07, and this is what it looks like. It looks like an avocado color with glitters. So just one press to dip the powder and then brush the mirror powder on your nails. So let me remind you the steps on how to apply Rosalind Magic Powder Pen. So first is apply base coat and then cure. Second is apply black base and then cure. Third is apply second coat of black base and then cure. And then fourth is apply top coat and cure. Fifth is brush the mirror powder. And then sixth is apply top coat and cure. And then you're done. That's how easy it is. Apply top coat and cure. And this is the Rosalind Magic Powder Pen Shade 07 looks like. Next is the Rosalind Magic Powder Pen Shade 08, and this is what it looks like. So just one press to dip the powder and then brush the mirror powder on your nails. Apply top coat and cure. And this is the Rosalind Magic Powder Pen Shade 08 looks like. It is very pretty green. So let me know in the comment section down below what shade is your favorite. And that's it, everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.